Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety: gloves, goggles, and no jewelry. Turn the ignition off and make sure the car is stable with the parking brake set. You disconnect the negative terminal first because it reduces short-circuit risk. That prevents sparks if a tool touches chassis ground. Once done, gently clean loose debris from around the post so you can see corrosion or a clamp bolt. These immediate actions protect you and give a clear work area before applying force or chemicals. You apply penetrating oil to the junction and wait 5 to 10 minutes so it seeps into corrosion. This loosens the bond. Then you tap the clamp body gently with a hammer, short, controlled strikes. To break crystalline deposits, do not hit the battery post itself to avoid cracking. Once loosened, use a proper terminal puller or a carefully placed ratchet handle as a lever. Move the clamp back and forth while pulling. This combined action separates metal without bending the terminal. You finish by cleaning the post with a wire brush and a baking soda solution to neutralize acid, then dry the area completely. Once clean, apply a thin coat of dielectric grease to the post and inner clamp to slow future corrosion and ensure good conductivity. Tighten the bolts evenly when reattaching and reconnect negative last. If the clamp still refuses to move, apply controlled heat to the clamp only or replace the clamp. Forcing it risks a cracked battery or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.